Good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. I normally don't do this many videos, but I'm going to do it this morning because there's a lot of good trade setups I want you guys to get into. Real quick, guys, if you haven't been following this channel, we are currently 56 for 56 wins. We ended up taking this win on Matic, and that was for a profit of 10.17%. We also ended up taking our 55th for 55th win. That was on DOT over here, and that was a profit of 15.09%. This is all available over at tradeconfident.io. You guys can go over, you guys can get your membership. It's simply $49 a month over here. Come down here after you're signed in, click Telegram. That will give you guys access over here as well as the indicators. Okay, I'll go over that a little bit, but I want to just focus on this right now. Everybody who has been trading with us, you just got triggered into your first buy limit for VET yesterday. And what's happening here is you all have a very rare opportunity. This is literally the same thing I've showed on all these videos this morning. ADA right now, you guys can enter in with us. Dogecoin right now, you can enter in. VET, you can enter in right now. These are my top picks: Ethereum, ADA, Dogecoin, and VET. Let me show you in here how you guys can get into this trade and make money with us, because we are 56 for 56 wins, and I do believe we're going to go 60 for 60 wins by the end of this month. So let's dive right in here. Here's the first thing you guys need to do. You need to come over and you need to set up your buy limits, okay? So this is going to be a lot of kind of a tutorial for new people. Yes, it's $49 a month, super cheap. I will be raising the price of this eventually, but everyone who signs up for $49 a month, I will grandfather you in, so when prices go up, you'll stay the same. Okay, great. Once you do that, come over to long trades on the website and then scroll down here to VeChain. What you guys are going to see on VeChain is a price chart that looks exactly like this. I'm going to keep it private for our paying subscribers, but this is what you're going to see. You're going to see a timestamp that says buy limits, sell limits for, and then the date. These are as of yesterday at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. All of our metrics update. All right. So here's what you're going to do. Pretend this is VET. Right now, you guys are going to see 4 yellow lines below the current price. Now, this first line is very close to the entry. And here's what I'm calling right now. This is not financial advice, entertainment purposes only. I must make that clear. Okay. Here's what we're doing. Here's how you guys can make money on this trade, and literally follow all of our traders who just got in here. For VET, you guys can market order in right now. So let's say you have $1,000. What you want to do is you want to split your trade allotment into 4 sections, 25% increments each. $1,000, you'd put $250 at this level, $250 at this level, $250 at this level, $250 at this level. Okay, since you are so close to the first one here, forget the buy limit. You can go ahead and just market order in right now. Again, pretend this is VET. You can market order into the price at the live price at the current moment. You are then going to set up your 3 buy limits below that, so you guys have good dollar cost average entries as the price and if the price goes down. If you have questions, watch this video at the bottom of the page. It's on Bitcoin over here, okay? That's what you guys are going to do. Once you've done that, make sure you guys have the indicators over here so you guys can help call profitable exits for yourself if I get up there and I'm not able to call it in Telegram. But once you guys set up your long trades, click Telegram. It has a hot link, and that'll let you guys join over here, okay? I know I'm going fast, but really, membership, set up your buy limits, join the Telegram channel, get the indicators, and just follow the calls I'm making over here, and you guys will do fantastic. I want to put this out there. We're gonna go 60 for 60 wins this month. We're gonna do it, guys. And just let's see what happens here. So if you want to literally trade with us, or you've been watching us for a while, or I know some of you guys are brand new and you're like, whoa, 56 for 56 wins. Yes, we have not lost a trade yet because of our good risk management. You guys can enter in right now, even if you are already in VET and you want to test this out, and you literally have $100. You can put $25 in at this buy limit and go to the VET chart over here on the front page after your membership. Click the VET chart, set up your other 3 buy limits, and follow me in the Telegram channel, as I will be managing this trade with you guys and teaching you guys how to exit in the profit. Now follow me over here of why the well and institutional, I keep calling this well and institutional. This is well money flow and trend exhaustion. Watch this, guys. When we push into the bottom zones here, this is historically when we do start seeing moves back up. If we just go to the last time we barely touched in here, this was this market right here. We ended up seeing the market bottom out here, and then we end up seeing a platform bounce here back up. The previous time before that was in this bottom section right here, where we ended up seeing these bounces back up in the market. Not a lot, but we did end up seeing a little bit of move back up. This red section down here correlates exactly to these candles right here, which ended up pushing the price back up. Previous time before that, we see it push to the bottom red section, was this move right here, and we saw a nice move back up in the market. And then we see obviously these 2 moves down here, where we ended up calling this move perfectly, and then this, sorry, that was unrealistic. We saw this move, and then we saw the move back down to the red section, and we saw this move back up. Yes, we were able to call the drop in here and all of that, and I can prove to you guys how we did that. It's ridiculous. What I want to focus on right now is teaching you this. What's going to happen in here is once you get into this long trade, a lot of people are going to do it today because this was triggered on the 11th. I'm keeping everything transparent, so you'll get in on the 12th. Is what we're going to see is this price is going to start moving up. And when it does, like it can move down. That's okay. If it moves down, we get more buy limits triggered in and we'll head back up. But as in if this price moves up here, what I want you guys to be watching is the trend exhaustion and the price versus the well money flow. As this moves back up into the top sections here, I am expecting to see drops back down. Why is this? The last time we got up close to this section was when we hit this high here, the price could not go any further and we dropped. We saw this move up into the top red section here, and then we ended up seeing the move back down. We saw this happen in the market previous to that. We saw this nice bear market move back down. The previous time before that was this accumulation of candles right here. Those about 4 or 5. If you guys look straight up, that is where we were able to call the drop back down. And as I mentioned, a few seconds ago, this move over here, this showing us that we were moving down, and you also saw the flow of money in green here moving down, guys. This was how we were able to predict this drop. This was showing us that we were going higher with higher highs and higher lows while money was flowing out of the market. That's how we called the drop, and we all got picked up on this trade down here. We have won 13 trades with this bull run right here alone. That's why you guys need these on your charts to watch this. I will try to call out profitable exits on the Telegram channel. That's what I'm trying to do. But over the weekend, I take weekends off. I spend time with family, go to church, I rest, I have fun. I'm not always able to get the exact tops in here. So once you guys see the trend exhaustion get up here, it's literally at the bottom and your entry's at the bottom. So if and when this goes up here, guys, look at these profits you could be making in here. For the price range in here, if this just gets up to basically, I'm not even going to look at structure high, just this area here, that's 12% profit you could be looking to take. All right, now let me be clear here. Could VET go back down? Absolutely. So what do we do in here for our trades for VET? This is not the levels, but we have 3 other buy limits in here in case it goes down. Now, once your second buy limit is hit, your entry doesn't stay up here at 10 cents. You take your first entry price plus your second entry price and divide it by 2. So if VET crashes down here, hits our second buy limit, our break-even entry is just going to move down with us, and we're going to get even more money faster because demand takes over in the market at support levels, and this thing shoots back up. Guys, this strategy is designed to literally engineered to take profits out of the market, no matter if you're going down, no matter if you're going up. If the market goes up, we all make money. If the market goes down, we get a better entry, our break even comes down, and demand takes over, and we make money faster because prices move up faster, clearly, the lower it goes. Guys, this strategy is how we're making money, and we have not lost a single trade yet. That's what you guys need to do. Let's go over the metrics real quick, but if this video is too long, let me just do this real quick for you guys so you know. Get your membership, $49 a month. Set up your VET trade right here. Click into this literally right now. Market order for 25%, and the other 25% increments are at the 3 buy limits that I already explained to you guys. Get your indicators over here. I'm upping the prices of the trend exhaustion. I'm upping the price of the price versus the well money flow. These are going up, okay? Literally in 19 days, I'm upping the price of this. The bundle pack is the best thing to get because this is not going to go up in value, but it's also cheaper than all of these indicators in here by far, and you get 4 other indicators on top of this you guys can use on TradingView that are super fun to use, so make sure you guys do snag this. Okay, going over the metrics now, let's go over VET. Where are you? There it is. Looking at this, we are sitting in this neutral area right now where this is a place where I normally don't tell you guys to look to do market orders, but since we are at this very low price here, I'm telling you guys these are very rare opportunities where you can get into the market and actually get picked up. If you watch this video and this price is below the current entry here, you'll actually get a better entry than everybody following me on the Telegram channel, and you'll actually make more money if you get in below this, which is even crazier. Move down here with me. Long versus short trade risk. If this had to pick a side, what would it be, guys? Would it be a better long trade or a better short trade? Well, the metric bar here in blue here is clearly pushing down to the bottom side, showing us that long trades are what you need to be looking for. Now, well and institutional smart money, this whipsaw action has been insane in here. So what we saw is we saw this move down here, a lot of wells and institutions looking to buy the dip. We saw a little bit of this move back up here, but not much. And then what they ended up doing is they got smart and they said, okay, nope, that's too much in the market. We're going to flip this over here, and we were actually going to go for long trades. That is exactly what I am setting up for you guys right now. We are not buying in at the top. We are not FOMOing in. We are getting this on a discount right now of 15 to 16% discount. At the bottom here, 18%. Guys, this is literally Black Friday, 50-inch TVs going on sale. This is your time to get into the market. I hope I'm not being like too I just get excited because I have people in here trading our system who are wiring money to their family overseas, and they're literally buying food for their family overseas, trading the strategy because they're like, I can trust it because you haven't lost any trades yet. So they're actually trading for a living. Guys, we may not be the biggest pump boys out there. We might not get into the 1,000% moves, but what I can do for you guys, and that I promise to you, is I will keep you safe, and I will keep our money safe because I'm keeping my own money safe. And we are probably not going to lose many trades on this channel. We have not lost a trade for 56 trades in a row, and people are just compounding their interest over and over again. And yes, we do have people trading for a living in here. Like this guy's over here doing, $33,000 to $40,000 in his account. That's $7,000 here. This guy came over here and he did $6,000 on Solana in a week, and then $10,000 on ADA. This guy over here did $40,000 in 3 weeks, $10,000 the week before that. Like people are literally trading our strategy for a living, they're making tens of thousands of dollars, and they're paying $49 a month. I know it's the cheapest thing ever, and I will be upping the price. So just want to point that out. As we move down here, we already looked at this. Basically, this is telling us very good place to look for long trades, all right? And look at that, guys. This is something you very rarely see. Did you guys just see this update? Literally 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. I've never been able to show this to you guys, but look at this. This just updated our metrics. It's literally 8:01 right now that I'm recording this video. I wish I could show you that to you guys. But this just moved down to the anxious section. VET into the anxious section. What's happening? We clearly see that when this is anxious for retail traders, if you scroll straight down, what happened? More long trade sentiment in the market for wealth and institutions, guys. You just saw a live metric update. I've never been able to show this to you guys on the charts before. This is super awesome. So that is an update, guys. 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, right on the money right there. So that updated here. Okay, going down here, looking at support and resistance prices, where could VET go? Well, we could see this move back down here to this 10-cent level, and that's probably where we're going to hit if we start seeing this move down a little bit further, but that's where we're at currently at the moment, all right? Now, this move down here of 8 cents, let's get on this chart and let's look at this. Let's come over here and look at 8 cents. Obviously, we could move down to these structured lows, but again, like I've mentioned to you, this is why we use buy limits. We have 3 other buy limits in the exchange right now that if this heads down, you'll get picked up, your break-even entry will start moving down with you. If this gets picked up, your break-even entry will start moving down with you. If this gets picked up, your break-even entry will move down. Guys, this is the best risk management strategy you guys will ever use, and this is why we are not losing trades. I'm going to finish this up because we're getting into this a lot. Dollar cost average entries. If you guys are in here and you just want to put money into the market and hold for 5 to 10 years, awesome. Literally every morning, like you just saw, 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, if there's a good entry, a green bar will come out and you guys can put money in and just hold. Take a look at this. This came out yesterday, 2 days ago, because it's just updated, saying, hey, just watch out for a possible drop. Well, that's when the metric went off. It did not go off at the top. It went off a little bit into this downtrend, and it was actually probably on this pump right here, and now we're seeing this drop back down. So let me finish this video right here. Give me 1 more minute here. This is what you guys do. Get your membership, tradeconfident.io. It's $49 a month. Come up to the live trades, set up your trades right now for VET based off this video, and get your 4 buy limits in. But remember, the first buy limit, you're going to do a market order so you can get in right now to follow me on this trade. Once you do that, get the indicators over here before they go up in price, the price versus the well money flow and the trend exhaustion at minimum, or the bundle pack to save most money. And then come over here and click the Telegram link, and that will be a hot link which will literally add you right into the Telegram channel over here where I am calling exits and I'm helping you guys exit in the profit. That's it, guys. God bless you so much. Get into these trades. Have fun. Let's make some money. The indicators are in the description as well as all the links that you guys need. I'm excited. This is going to be a crazy good week of trading. This is a good month, guys. Going into the end of the year, we're going to make some more profits. Come join us. God bless you. Let's make some money. Bye, guys.